Hey, what's up, guys? Scared money? Don't make money. Hey, so I'm sitting here thinking about here with my boy Beacon over here, and I'm gonna get this cigar smoke out of here. We were on this topic about scared money. I remember, and by the way, this never goes away. I know people might see me and like, dude, how do you do it? Are you ever scared? And blah, blah, blah. The more educated I get, the less scared I become. And the thing is I'm educated through implementation, education, constantly knowledging up with great people, masterminds and groups and mentors and all that. And the more I do that, the less scared I get. But the truth is I'm still scared. You know, you're always going to be scared. It's a muscle. It's what our brain does to protect what we know works or doesn't work. So when someone presents you with that new opportunity or new business or new anything new, your brain goes back into preservation mode. Thinking about like, yo man, you don't do that. They just want your money. This is a scam. If it's so good, why doesn't everyone do it? If that was the case, why would someone actually be doing it? There's opportunity everywhere and in anything. I'm not saying all is created equal either. And I'm not saying you shouldn't do your due diligence. I'm not saying you shouldn't be smart and knowledge about it, but like the more you learn, the more you know, the more you educate. And I'm not saying over-educate where you don't take action. Educate, make a decision. Like indecision costs you more money than your decisions. So when you knowledge up into these people, into these assets, into these environments, you're gonna realize scared money doesn't make you money. And you probably have money in your account right now and you know you wanna do something with it, but instead of you investing in yourself, investing in a business, investing in products, investing in anything that can turn around and create an ROI, a return on investment, you go out and buy that new car, you go out and buy that new watch, or the new house, or whatever you're buying, and you never invest in yourself. Because you're scared, because you don't believe in yourself, because you haven't experienced what it takes. You've been taught by the school system that, hey, you know, go to school, pay $200 grand to get a college degree to go make get a $40,000 job. But what if you took 40 grand and went and learned how to make millions of dollars on your own time, on your own terms? See, scared money. I invest. When I tell people to invest 100 grand a year in mentorships, masterminds, education, etc., dude, that's nice for you to say because you already got money. Dude, I started dead broke. I started 18, no money, no credit, nothing. But I found $2,500 to go to a 3-day seminar. I sat in that room and I watched the guy and the gal do the work, see how it was done, what they talked about, what they didn't talk about, and how they got the results. When you get in these kind of rooms, you realize you're working out in the gym, this muscle of scared. I'm getting more confident. I'm getting more excited about the opportunity. And I think the truth is most people are too afraid of actually what could happen, not what will happen. You're too afraid of the possibilities of you becoming massively successful, making a lot of money, and then your friends not following along with you. That's the truth. I don't think it's scared money. I think you're afraid of what you can accomplish. We just use scared money to hold us back. Don't be scared. Get excited. Get involved. Invest in yourself. And let me ask you a question. Speaking of investing in yourself, when you invest 50 grand or 10 grand or 100 grand or $100 in a course or book or whatever, you're not necessarily investing in the book, course, or seminar. You're investing in yourself. And I'd ask you, are you worth 100 grand? Is your life, is your future worth $100,000? If the answer is no, I have nothing for you. Every single person's worth many millions, billions, trillions of dollars. Priceless. So why not start treating yourself like that? Stop being scared. Get off the sidelines. Let's get this party started. See you on the other side.